This is the third time the Ontario police flying over the top of me. And pay attention while I'm seated at the pay end. When I'm at this is the same OVITT Family Community Library, but typically I'm at the front end, at the entrance, I'm at the back end, and this is where they're concentrating, and this is where the people of the state are pacing. This is a shadow is moving around their person. They're monitoring. That's called stalking with light. See the shadow that's behind them again, and it's moving to the front? Those are demons who are stalking. And I just walked through their neighborhood, and I documented their license plates, and I documented their house numbers, and the Ontario police that is engaged in surveillance in concert with the people of the state who are the government, not private citizens. They're demon-possessed, vagina-monitoring psychopaths who stalk you without talking to you, without looking at you, without addressing you, and then the entities mysteriously engage in what is criminal summoning. And while they engage in sexual assault and battery, they commit criminal summoning like the terrorist at 530 West Holt Boulevard last night, where that department that is stalking me under fake moon again, and the fake moon is positioned where I'm positioned at the venue, is engaging in what is stalking by helicopter. Like I said, those gang members. Sergeant Hall, that's laughable. She's no sergeant. She's a vagina monitor. Okay, she's all over the place when I'm asking her questions about why she's talking about social media. Okay, this is an entity that's engaging in what is stalking and monitoring, surveillance. And these are the Nephilim that are engaging in stalking in plain sight. They're not minding their business. They're not just walking around taking a view outside. They don't even have a call of nature. They're stalking you in bathrooms. This is the entity that's engaging in that, and they serve the state. They are third parties. This is the Ontario Senior Center. This is the community library, and the entities engaging what is stalking me while I'm documenting. I'm going to put all their addresses and license plates on the internet, because the entity, these stalkers, these demons, are the reason why the Ontario police are stalking me. That's why they filled out a piece of paper about a 602 trespass that did not happen. Nor are you trespassing when the entities engaging what is surveilling you on that property, which is state action, not private property, and it's committed in furtherance of murder. While then those murderers are stalking you in helicopters as you enforce your rights. Those gang members, including Johnson, T. York, R. Lilly, Sergeant Hall, Elias, and Ponce, all those vagina monitoring gang members are going to prison. And I'm continuously documenting evidence speaking to gang violence that I'm subject to, while maniacal, delusional psychopaths are stalking and then having the audacity to wear that gun and badge and exercise authority that they don't have, coercing and engagement and confrontation with them. That's why they're going to prison, because that's a threat to my life. In addition to the people of the state who are stalking obsessively, that's a threat to my life. P.O.C. It is currently 7:03 p.m.